Let's move on. A day after Arvind Kejriwal got a big blow from the Delhi High Court, the Aam Aadmi Party will approach the Supreme Court against the High Court's decision. Important to know that the Delhi High Court rejected Kejriwal's petition, due to which he will now have to remain in jail. Remember, the court has declared ED's arrest valid and said that ED has kept enough evidence against Kejriwal. Meanwhile, let's also tell you, politically speaking, BJP is set to protest against Kejriwal outside the AAP headquarters in the national capital today. The party's aim through this stir is to demand Arvind Kejriwal's resignation. Sabyasachi, my colleague, joins me for the latest. Sabyasachi, good morning. Given the legal situation where Kejriwal finds himself at the moment, we understand that, of course, the party is looking at its next move. As you pointed out to us, also politically speaking, something that the BJP has been stating from day one about them demanding the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal. Overall, if you could help us understand, legally speaking and politically speaking, where do things stand for the Delhi CM?
Well, absolutely. See, if you talk about politically, then the BJP has been escalating its attack against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. See, the BJP from day one has been alleging that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin and mastermind behind the alleged liquor policy, and action should be taken against him. Now, the BJP has been maintaining that Arvind Kejriwal should resign from his post on moral grounds. Now, yesterday, after the High Court order, which clearly did not give any sort of relief to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, now the Delhi BJP as well as the national BJP wants that Arvind Kejriwal should resign from his post as soon as possible. And that is the reason why we are seeing that here in the national capital, the BJP would be holding a protest today against Arvind Kejriwal. Now, on the other hand, trouble is also mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party, where the LG has already written to the MHA regarding the Delhi ministers for not showing up in the regular meetings. Now, yesterday at the court proceedings that we had seen, for viewers, it's very important to know that the Aam Aadmi Party has been continuously putting out allegation against the central forces, against the central government. The first allegation that they have been putting is that the timing of the arrest right before the Lok Sabha polls. Second, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal himself has questioned the statement of the approver. Arvind Kejriwal went on to say that based on the 4 statements of the approver, it is not right to arrest a sitting chief minister. Thirdly, they have questioned that how the approver, Magunta Reddy, and his father, who have given money to the Bharatiya Janata Party in the form of electoral bonds, have been given a ticket. Now, regarding all these allegations, the court has hit back at the Aam Aadmi Party.
Sabyasachi, I have to interject you there, but absolutely, like you have pointed out, this is a setback considering whatever arguments were made in the court, and then that is exactly why he has that legal setback. We'll keep coming back to you.